Hey everyone, got a pending transaction on your Capital One card that you need to cancel? In this guide, I will show you how to cancel or dispute a pending charge quickly. Let's get started. So, unfortunately, Capital One does not allow users to cancel a pending transaction directly. However, you can try these methods to resolve the issue faster. Method 1 is contacting the merchant. So find the pending transaction in your Capital One app or website, locate the merchant's contact details and call or email them. Request a cancellation because most merchants can reverse the change before it's finalized. If they agree, the pending transaction will disappear within a few days. Now, method 2 is locking your card if unauthorized. So, open the Capital One app or log in to Capital One online banking website, then go to account settings, then navigate to lock card. This prevents further transactions, and if it's a fraudulent charge, report it immediately through the app or call 1-800-277-4825. Now, method 3 is waiting for the charge to post, then dispute. So, pending charges can't be disputed. You must wait for them to post. Once posted, go to Capital One's dispute center and file a dispute. If successful, Capital One refunds your money within a few days. And that's how you handle pending transactions on Capital One in 2025. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more banking tips. See you in the next video.